ride in the 2020 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, rain sensing wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.